limestone's a bit slippy, so this is fun. Oh, have to be careful. Nice. Very slippy limestone. Morning, welcome to the Lake District. And in front is a big rock called Whitbarrow Scar. Whitbarrow Scar. And today I'm going to do a big loop circumnavigating Whitbarrow Scar. And seems quite a nice day for it. Off-road pretty quickly. This ride starts off with a gradual climb through the woods at the bottom of the scar. Get our legs going and the lungs. Lovely woods these. Very old woodland, I think. Plenty of yew trees. Winding out now. Nice little bit of cross country that. Still off road here. Just the track's widened. Love this big yew tree here on the right. That's not a beech tree actually, not a yew tree, beech tree. Gorgeous. There's a nice footpath that starts alongside it. It takes you right up onto the top of the scar. Lovely little pond here. Gorgeous corner of the Lake District this. This is kind of like one of the most southerly points in the Lake District. Got wild garlics, bluebells, a bit of flowers. Idyllic. Hello, ducky. Morning, you alright? Yeah, I'll go through the middle. Thank you. Really strong smell of garlic here, of all this wild garlic both sides of me, as well as bluebells. And if you've never tasted wild garlic before, it is pretty yummy actually. You can eat the stalk and the flower head. Really strong garlicky flavour, that's really fresh. And the flower heads tend to be a bit stronger. Look at all the garlic here. Just riding up this road now until we get to Webslack Hall, and then there'll be a turn off onto another bridleway. Over there you can see the side of Whitbarrow Scar. In those cliffs you do sometimes get peregrine falcons nesting, so it's really good habitat for birds. The top of the hill is a National Wildlife Reserve, a really protected area. I think it's managed by Cumbria Wildlife Trust, and it's a great limestone habitat for lots of rare species of butterfly and things like that. I just carry on along this way. Off road again. On it. These are called cuckoo flowers. Quite a few along here. Quite a nice track meandering through this quite peaceful heathland. Really good for nature around this bit of the lakes. So we've come from down there, we've got Whitbarrow Scar, the fell running in the background. We're going to go through that gate in a second. I've just spotted an orchid, a number of orchids. Another one there, another one here. Great to see. Through this hazel. Muddy. Nice track now. Limestone's a bit slippy, but this is fun. Oh, be careful. There's very slippy limestone. Fun trail this bit. Ooh, that was a good one. Well, so turning back north, that's a really fun descent down that path. Lots and lots of slippery limestone to think about. It's like a marsh tip, that. So just heading up this road for a bit, and then there should be a bridleway on the right at some point. Nice old church. Trees below me look like damsons. Some sort of orchard. Really missed this turning. It says public right away to Whitbarrow Hall. And back off road again. Some interesting ferns here. Bit of a stingy climb, this one. Try not to trample on any flowers. Just spotted through the woods some more orchids in amongst all the bluebells. If you're ever wondering what species it is, there's a great app here called Seek. It tells you what a plant is. It says this is an early purple orchid. Yeah, I've seen one of those before, it tells me. Down here, hidden away, is what I think is a wood enemy. Wood enemy. Sign of ancient woodland, which this definitely looks like. It's really is gorgeous woodland. Full of flowers and ferns and trees. It's great. We went that way earlier, to the right there. Coming down here, we're a slight call in front of us. So we're going to go left. Hi guys, you alright? Beautiful bluebells out in force at the moment. It's 55, that building. Turned off the road at a place called Greenside and climbing up this bridleway. It's quite a steep climb, but there's some nice views down to the valley below. Looks like they've created an alternative route for the bridleway to avoid going in the farmyard. Nice pad. So come from there, beautiful views of the valley. We're going through here. I think we're going to that gate. So we've went through that gate and it's taken us onto this single track bridleway, and we're kind of fairly level ground at the moment. Let's start climb up the valley. Not sure if this is going to come out on camera, but the clouds lifted a little bit in the distance. We've got the Langdale Pikes directly where I'm pointing. This is Harrison Stickle, Pike Stickle. To the left, probably got Wevelham and Bowfell, you can see. Yeah, views are opening up. Back is widened up now. Widened out. Quite easy riding along here. A nice track. Feels like an old historic track. What I thought was a flat track has actually turned into quite a climb. Spotted some nice cowslips on the path. I thought this is quite a nice area. Oh, I can hear ravens. There's a raven going past. Oh, two of them landing in that tree. Good time for a sandwich stop. Sandwich of the day is a ham, spinach and mayo number. And just as I'm looking at the sandwich, I've just spotted over here yet more orchids. This stuff looks like similar to the other ones. Cheers. Fun. Very slick limestone. Onto tarmac. That was a fun little section, that was. Just dropped me down to the main road in the Lyme Valley. Just need to take the main road for a short section. A few swallows flying around here and perched on the line. On this back lane now, just meandering back to the start point. Not too far to go now. It's just chilling on tarmac really. Back on the road, main road again for a bit. Not for long. Yeah. So next to the A590 now. We don't have to go on it because of this handy section of bike path. Got Whitbarrow Scar back over there in front of us. But not far from the end now. Alright guys, pretty much to the end now, so thanks for watching and see you next time. More cowslips here.